Hello, this is KittyGirl54321. I am at a place called Pet Supplies. Right now I'm looking at the birds. This is a couple of them, as you can see. Oh, look at this one. And it's looking at the camera. Hey, look at the camera, birdie. Birdie. There's another bird here. Hey, bird. Huh? Ooh, look at these guys. Oh, shoot. Sorry about that. Those guys, too? What about these birdies? No one down here. Oh, that one. Oh, how about this one? Ooh, that one's a... These must be canaries. Some more birds down here, as you can see. Some more over here. Ooh, excitable fellas. Birdies! Oh, the one's got its head tilted! It's cute! And these ones, they look like mini penguins, don't they? No one in here. Oh, but those are beauties. Aren't these birds just beautiful? Yeah. I'm filming a video. Well, several.
Of all the birds here, that Quaker probably has the most personality.
Oh. I'm coming over here.
Right now, but normally he'll come right up to the cage and then try to fight.
Yeah. Hey. Hey again, bird. Alright, let's wrap this video up. Stay tuned for part 2. Be perfect. Subscribe.